And next, restore your hair and grow back your confidence. You are watching The Morning Blend. Welcome back to The Morning Blend. Get your confidence restored with fuller, younger-looking hair. ARTAS Robotic Hair Transplant eliminates the drawbacks associated with older methods.
That's right. Here to discuss the unique benefits of the ARTAS robotic system, a revolution in hair restoration, is Dr. Barry DiBernardo. Welcome in. How are you, doctor?
Thank you, Sean.
Good morning.
You're the medical director of the New Jersey Plastic Surgery. Let's talk about this. ARTAS robotic procedure. I looked at video of it earlier. It's unbelievable. How has this changed the way that men can cope with hair loss?
Well, hair loss in men, we know, is prevalent. 35 million men have lost their hair.
Got the short straw.
And to show you their intensity on this, 1 million searches on realself.com in the last 3 months. So
wow.
Men are very interested in replacing hair and restoring confidence. Mm-hmm. So we've been doing hair transplant for years, but now the robot brings another level of precision to this, and the more precision, the more natural look, and that's what hair transplant's all about.
And we're taking a look at the picture there. Was that the system right there, that robot?
Yes, that was the robotic system.
And that's helping you guys with this procedure? It's more precise?
Well, yes, when we do any kind of plastic surgery, there's an art to it, but hair transplant's a very repetitive type surgery.
Okay.
So when you can add a machine or a robot to something that's so repetitive, you can get precision built into it. When you're going in the back of the head, it will search out the best hair units, the hair follicles, and choose the best ones and harvest those, and it'll keep doing that time after time on the first one, the 1,000th, the 2,000th hair.
See,
yes.
that doesn't get blurry eyes or need a coffee after a few minutes.
Right.
The old way of doing it, you'd have to take a swath of your scalp, essentially, and this, it just goes in and it plucks directly from the scalp.
Right. The more traditional methods were taking a strip of hair, and that's done many places still today.
And it would leave a scar directly across your neck. Yeah.
And that wasn't as big a problem until recently. We have shorter haircuts, and once you get a shorter haircut, you're going to see a scar there.
Yeah.
So by harvesting just little dots there are left and healed within a few days, when you go back and look, you really don't see anything
and
at all.
And we're showing a picture of the harvesting right here, or what is this?
This is the robot that's using its digital imaging to target the best hair follicular units and then select those and then bring those out, and then we will then move those to the front of the head to create the natural looking hairline.
It really is incredible. And you can't tell that any hair was taken from the back of your neck within a few days.
And I'm trained to look at these things, and in a week or 2 weeks, that's so healed, you really don't see anything.
And you're a plastic surgeon, you've done this before, you've helped so many men feel better about themselves as well. And we also have some pictures of befores and afters of the men who've gone through this procedure. Let's take a look. Can you describe to us what we're looking at?
Sure. So this is a typical pattern. Men lose the frontal hairline, and there's just no strength to it afterwards. You see that hairline's built up. You can't see any plugginess. It just looks very natural. Here's another image. We get that hair and loss on the side. You see more skin.
So this technology is really incredible. Why should they use this as opposed to, say, the older method with the strip? Because I think that's what we're all accustomed to hearing about.
Well, we want to use follicular unit grafting so we don't have a scar back there.
Of course.
And where, as we move through technology in anything we do, we're trying to look to technology to do things better, faster, more precise than we can with traditional methods. And the ARTAS robot is doing that now, and it's going to continue to have innovations that are just going to make this procedure better and better as time goes on.
And where can we get more information about this procedure?
You would get it from the ARTAS website, which is artas.com. ARTAS. And
ARTAShair.com?
ARTAS Hair. It's on the screen, artashair.com. And on that website, it'll tell you everything about the procedure and where you could go, which physicians have this in the country.
And we got about 30 seconds left. Let's talk about the age of the people they have coming in, because this isn't just for the 20, 30-somethings. I mean, older in life, you might want to be able to regain that hair.
Oh, sure. Yes, when you're younger, you're starting to feel it, but most of our patients actually are 30s, 40s, 50s.
Wow.
It's never too late. When you feel that you want this confidence restored and more hair, you should go seek a professional to give you advice on what to do about it.
Well, doctor, thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.
It's like you knew what I was Google searching recently.
Oh, yeah.
To learn about the ARTAS robotic system, you can head to the website on your screen. That's artashair.com, ARTAS rather, hair.com. They're also on Facebook and Twitter.
Still to come on the Morning Blend, it's